Hello guys, welcome to one of my video. And today we're at the mall. We're going home now. And have my whole family here. And he's good though. Ooh. Hey, we're going home. There's a lot. So we have wine here. We have wine here. Wait. What can I call I have my dada here. Is the mall looks like. Ay. It looks like our apartment, guys. This how Philippines looks like. You could guys do that, bro.
Kinuha naman niya bigla. Natanggap kasi talaga yun, kaya nga sa bata, bigyan ko yung para. Patis.
Hey, we're going.
Di ba may ganun ang pantalon? Ganun yung sinasabi ko eh. Sisikat ngayon. Pati lalaki na gano'n.
Here we go, guys. X
Nakalagay, no? May X nakalagay, oh. Huwag daw matigas ang ulo. Gagalaw. Ay, no, nakita mo? Huwag ka hawak dito, ha? Nakakalak. Alam mo, pa sa ginagawa ko.
Cool, right?
Wow, ang ganda lang.
Banana.
Ay, no, gusto ko lang si Enes yun, eh. Parang makayos, eh.
Why is it?
Ang ganda lang yung kulay. Parehas kayo. Parang nabayaan na siya.
Going sad. these shoes. Wait, is it the red shoes? Let me see. Cool, right? Ding ding. Look at him going outside. Hindi ko kaya yan eh. Uy. Turn on this island. Look at the freaking movie. I'm at the TV. Hey, hey! Watching me. Me sitting, guys. There's so many girls here. The red one. Guys, we have New Balance. What the fuck? Come and touch me. You can ask us. Later. Touch me. Ouch. Tag. I'm tired. Look at that. Bro, screaming. Yeah. This is the whole floor. What's that? Jack. Hey. My whole family is at the GB today. Bro, no words. I gotta go to the toilet. You better go home earlier. I will teleport at that place. Wait, guys. What the hell, I teleport side? What the hell, I teleport side? Okay, okay. Okay. Yes. This girl shoes. Oh, my shoes. Wait.
O ganito. Sabagay, hindi siya mag- Pag may day,
Ah! This is my brother. Look at me. Okay.
yun natin kasi mamaya.
Oh, excuse me.
Sakit.
Sakit.
Ano Ah, small, medium, large starter.
Pag in size, 35 to 40, 1999. Pag extra naman, 31 to 34. Ay, parang 33. 36 ako. 36 so 37 ako. Ayun. Jump to Lucas. Hey, yo. Hear that? I'm going home. Let us swim. Let's out.
Kasi siya tatakbo, eh wala naman ng pasok.
I have pass.
Okay lang yun natin, hindi mo naman na ano. Okay lang.
I have school tomorrow.
Okay ba yun?
I have school tomorrow. Going outside. Let's go explore. You can see them at the back. Damn it. It's close.
Diba nag-iwan daw yung
Isa mo na iwan. Tingnan mo nga yung shore.
It is now 8:15 in the evening. In a few minutes, we're showing closing our empty doors. We hope you enjoy your shopping. Please come back soon for our private market or the monthly market.
Bro, I actually don't remember that. I'm tired, guys. I'm tired. Whew.
Diba baka kasi hindi tanggapin yung binayaran.
No? Anya, anya, anya. Hey, what the? I'm not doing nothing. Hey. Hey, look at the camera. Hey, oh. I'm mama. Hey. Ayun na naman kayo. Sabi ko, you're walking backward. They're fighting together. We're going out now, guys. We're going to get our car now. What the? What the? Okay, guys, my dad is gonna get the car.
Bababa natin yung mabigat.
Ayaw ka na. Okay. Ay, nasa papa dito.
Big cars. Oh, cheer, 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 cheer.
Ano?
subscribers. I just want to. So we're waiting our dad to arrive with the car. He's driving the car though. And it's at the down floor. What do you mean? Outside the mall. We're at the parking. Mom, we're waiting about 1,000 years. This is the mall that our tire got broken. I just love my life here. So guys, waiting for our dad. So hi. For a while. What? Am I? Gonna have zoom in, course. Okay, dad is there. Our dad is there. Woo! Daddy, daddy. Hey, wait for us. Why, bro? Our dad don't wait for us. We're going to the car. To the car now. Yes, go. Not much colder, bro. I need the AC. Mine is off. Look at that. Nice. Thanks. What the hell? It got dark. Wait. I'm gonna open the backlight. Wait for me, guys. Okay. It's now open now. Is that okay, guys? Going home. Alright, guys. I'm here at the car. Multiple lines. Let's go change that. Oh, it's much better. Here, people. What's this? It's a good place to put on. We're going home, guys. I don't want to go home. Hey, Dang. Come here. Get inside now. I want to eat. I'm full of food. I'm here. I'm the big rock. This is my view. If I didn't record, we're gonna do recording.
Basa naman itong damit nyo. Sobrang basa.
Ito, what's the side mirror? I mean,
Tayo ka lang. Ikaw, Dale, baka pasang-basa yung likod mo, ha?
no.
Naku, basa, oh.
My back isn't wet. Whoa.
Pakita yung likod mo, Dale.
Nah.
Bakit ikaw basa? Nangyari.
Hey. Stop falling, bro. Wait,
Yes, pero lagyan natin ito.
that's okay. Oh. Whoa. Why is it going forward? What's that?
Go, sit down. Sit down.
Look at that. I like that view, guys.
Nice, diba?
So my little brother said, if we can eat chips
Bakit pa?
or snacks that we have or we have buy at the
Palitan natin?
mall.
Walang ibang daanan?
Whoa!
Ibig sabihin may isa kang daan.
Hey, Camila sa Kairuki.
O, dyan din dadaan.
Where are we? I don't know.
O, diba?
Oh, this is the one. Mama, mama.
Oo. Yung mga
Mama,
taxi galit na galit sa mga angkas. Sabi yun, angkas, kayo ang sumira sa kabuhayan namin mga taxi driver. Oo.
Alaya mo. Alaya mo. Good morning. Ma. Philippines dad.
Asan yung tubig, Dave?
Diyan sa Tuban.
What then? And a ching chong kong 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 kong. I don't know what that means. Look at the many people. Ooh! What happened there? Oh, it's that big. A full summer. Or just falling asleep.
Ba't may ganun ka pa? Paano?
What happened to my leg?
Ano ba yung bagong kanta? May kanta ngayon na kumakalat sa ano, nakakabuisit yung kanta.
What?
Ano nang kanta yun?
Just sing the song. Sorry. 25 minutes. Ito yung bago. Yung ano, yung ano niya?
Ha?
Yung parang lalaki ng maano?
Hindi, babae yung kumakanta, pero
Hindi, yung babaeng kumisigaw na gano'n.
Nakakainis yung boses.
Ma, babae? Hindi, lalaki yun, di ba?
Lalaki yun.
Yung lalaki, yung babae, ganito. So that, that's flying house. Or is this a like? Is that car? Ayo, that's
Papa, nakuha mo yung sukle, di ba? Ako baka akala ko ako.
Those are the motorcycle. Ay, tol mo ko kasi. Look, that car. Wait, where did the car go? Cargo. Ay,
Bakit po?
Stops. Meet my little bro. And that's my mom playing that color game. What's that called? What's that? Mama, what's that game called? What's that game called? What? What's that game called? Bakit mo na to? Ito, kaya ko. Tingnan mo. Tingnan mo, ma.
Nakikita ko sa inyo, kaya pinapapatay ang ilaw eh.
Bakit?
Lagi pinapapatay ang ilaw na.
Mm.
Tapos minsan kaya ako may pahisabi sa akin.
Ah.
Napatay pa siya yung pusa.
San Joaquin, Fair Station.
Kaya
So
tayo
here.
papatay dito sa ano eh.
Ay, ito. Wow! Ito yung bago sa South.
Silaw daw siya eh.
What the hell?
Pero sa sinabi ng gano'n kay tatay, yung sura ni tatay. Yung mararatay na gano'n.
Look at the wall. It's so clean.
Dialysis na si tatay. Wala na yun. Kada ano, dialysis.
Yung gagastos ka pa doon.
Kaya ikaw, Dave. Yung mga kinakain mo kasi dito kay Dave, takot ako kay Dave kasi ano, bata pa lang siya, puro process na kinain niya. Ang malala pa pala kay tatay, naggagamot ng sarili. Kahit na hindi iinom. Parang kay tatay, yung ginawa ng tatay, self-medicate.
Ow! 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 Look at that California dog. I mean lion.
Oo, 21 na akong babalik ko.
What?
Sa card daw nila.
Nakalimutan yung order ng food mo ha.
Oh, yeah.
Look at that big motel. That motel has, I don't know what floor. But that is super high.
Yung take out na talaga ba?
Oo, dito.
Hey. Wow.
Dito lang yung sinigang na sa gulay.
Yung puro gulay siya. Kasi
Opo.
sa baulang ay pang sinigang.
Look at that. Oh, madam,
Sa bawal nila pa, pwede mo mahingi na sa bawal.
beauty milk.
Hindi yata
What
sinigang na ano.
Kahit hindi sinigang,
Sink.
Ano po?
Malalim ba tayo?
Ha?
Malalim na ba tayo?
Malayo pa.
sinasabi ma?
Malayo na ba tayo?
Okay, I don't have shoes on. Hindi na tayo uuwi. Pumunta na tayo, Batangas. Doon na tayo uuwi ang natin. Then, I still have school. But, pag pula, palik, sila pula. Ma,
Doon ka na, diba?
hindi ko kasama ikaw. Ay, kayo. Eh, gusto ko kasama kayo eh.
Makulit ka kasi, kaya doon ka na lang.
Ikaw din, magbalik ka din. Kaya palo mo ako dun ka din. We have card days.
Kita doon lagi.
Ama, we have a card day. Giving cards at school. School? Yeah. School really? Really? Shut up.
Really?
Shut up, bro.
Really?
You not us. You not shut up, bro.
Sabi niya, really? Shut up, bro.
You not a teacher. You not a kid. You the
Really?
kid, bro. Yeah, I'm a kid. I'm a student.
Oh, really?
What are you doing here? What am I doing here? Yeah. I'm your brother, bro. No. It's not a brother. He's picking the toilet. Hey, you stop being brain rot, bro. My brother is brain rotted. You my not blooded. Yung my? What do you mean yung my? You my blooded. You're my brother? So,
You are.
you are my brother.
Yes.
That's why I'm not the car. That's why I'm not the car. You're not the teacher, bro. What I heard? Yeah, I'm a student. I'm not a teacher.
Who is your teacher, bro? Who is your teacher?
What the heck? What the heck
Wait,
you doing?
who is your teacher?
What do you mean? What the heck am I
ganun?
doing? What do you mean, bro?
Kung yung sinasabi mo,
What the heck? Di ka naman mayaman eh. Bro, if I'm
I
not
am
rich,
I
you're
am-
not rich too.
I
Because you're
am
my
rich.
little brother. Yeah. I'm not rich. You are my little brother. If I'm not rich, you two are not rich. I'm a little brother. It's not good.
It's not good.
I'm a little brother. You're the young brother that's not your
Youngest.
good.
Youngest.
Longest.
Bata.
You're the young brother.
You're the youngest. Of
Younger.
our
Younger?
siblings.
Skipping.
Siblings kayo magkakapatid.
Kasi said skipping, not sibling.
Youngest,
my brother.
siya ang pinaka-youngest. Middle, ikaw.
Yeah, I know.
Elder,
Yeah,
sino?
I know.
Eldest.
Brother
Eldest,
Dave?
si Kuya. Elder brother. Younger,
Hey,
youngest,
elder
younger brother.
What are you doing? It's just the same. Older brother.
Older brother, si Kuya mo. Kaya ang Kuya,
What
older
are you
brother. Eldest siya, elder. The older, elder. Elder is younger. Siya ang younger brother.
Youngest.
Siya ang elder brother.
Elder brother, middle child, Pogalato.
And you're the middle.
And the
Middle
youngest
child.
brother is the youngest brother.
What are you doing?
Looking at the car.
Going to
The view is
my
just
pillow.
nothing. You pillow.
Huwag ka ganyan na lang tatawag ka doon.
It's not my pillow. Yeah. I don't need this. I need this. I have school tomorrow. What the heck you do? And I don't better than late.
Pwede ka na mag, day. Mag-civilian.
Yeah. Araw kami. I don't know kasi. I don't know. Marikina, Cubao, Eastwood, Wait. The wood is east? Or
Kayo nagkaroon ng Aldale?
what?
ID.
I don't know why. I don't know. What do you mean What do you mean?
Oh, paano ka ha?
The teacher gave us license plate. Ow! Ah! Stop killing me, bro. Haha. Ah! Stop hurting me. Bro, I'm not even flinching. Ow! 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 Ow!
Hey.
Ow! Stop, stop throwing that to Hey! No! You not do that. I always. Hey! Bro, down. Hey! Yay! Ole! Where's the light? Yeah. Where's the light? Okay. You cannot see the light. Okay, guys, you can now see it. Ow!
Turn on the light, please. Ganon.
Okay.
Turn off the light. Naman yan. Oh, turn off yan.
I mean to open the light.
Don't open. Turn on.
Oh my god. You can just say open too. Hey!
Turn on. Hindi open the light.
Open. What do you mean open? I don't
Turn
want
on
to
the
see.
light. Turn off the light.
Turn on the light. Hey! We're going. Ow! E-shirt? Stop. What do you mean e-church? Do you mean does it hurt?
Yes.
If you said it hurts, that means you are hurt. But if you say does it hurt? Ow! You hit my eye. Ah! Stop that! Ah!
Hey.
Help! Oh! Help me, guys! Ah!
Natamaan ako eh.
Ah! Nandiyan ba tayo?
Hoy, pag-uwi sa bahay, bawal na yung ganyan-ganyan ha. May pasok bukas.
Yeah. I know.
At magagalit ka naman sa kabila. Lagi
Okay.
na lang kayo binabawal.
Okay. Ah!
Eh, yung upuan daw. Nilagyan ko na nga ng ano eh.
Hey,
Oh,
what are you doing?
ngayon, kahit kaltog, hindi mo na ano doon. Eh, sabi.
Hey guys, welcome to my kuya.
Doon to kasi natin sa kasi
Do you mean brother?
Pero kung si Kay yun, malamang yung dabog ka.
Welcome with the
Eh,
brother.
naglalaro yan, dalawa na yan doon sa upuan.
Ah!
Ilang beses ko silang pinawal.
Stop riding me! Bro! Ma!
Ingay daw ng kaldabog. Sabi ko,
Ma!
sabi,
Dennis!
ako pinagalitan ko nga eh.
Dennis riding me. And it hurts!
Wait, stop.
Yeah!
Stop, wait.
Bro, get out of my blue bag! Get off! Get off! No! I will not give you Robux.
Basta nakalagay yung mga ano, buwan.
Yeah! Get
Dati,
off! I'ma cry.
Tinanggal ko na yung
Bro, chill!
yung box.
Bro doesn't chill. Guys, help me, guys! Ow! It hurts! It hurts! Mama!
Iniwalay ko yun. Stop,
Ah, it
wait,
hurts!
wait.
Ow! Ooh! Oh! Ah!
Hindi kita pa-
Imay!
hindi kita
Stop
pa-
crying!
Hindi kita papapasukin ng bahay. Sige.
Okay.
Sino kaya ang malalakan ng ano?
Mom told you to stop. Ow!
Ay malalakan sa
works. Get your feet off. Stop. Stop pretending that you're dead. Hey! Stop kicking the pole. Stop kicking the camera. I mean the pole.
Stop.
My butay. Hey.
Kaya mo yan, hihinto yan pag pinalo ko. Huwag hihinto yan.
Why is it dark? James Charles gonna go. Oh no. I thought James Charles is gonna come out at the window.
Ay, malapit na tayo.
Oh,
Nakakapala.
we're close. Hey! The people's skin. My phone
Dito ba
cannot
talaga
see.
naka-open to pa? Yung ilaw dito?
Bakit mo papatayin ko?
Ah,
Kita dito sa akin.
okay, guys. Bye-bye. Just joke. Just joking around. I mean, bye-bye to the... I'm saying bye to the lights. What happens all the time? No parking. Please give away. Did someone say give me a loan?
Lapit na tayo.
We're going inside.
Ito na tayo.
Ay.
Diba? Mag-shoes ka na.
Let's go. Let's go.
Mamaya.
Ito ilang wala akong makita. Are you even blind or something?
Dito na naman binuksan pa. Ito palang may kasalanan
Hindi
nun eh.
mo bubuksan niya pag di ko binuksan dito eh. Hindi mo bubuksan niya pag di binuksan dito.
Kala ko siyang
Okay. Oh no. What the heck? Okay, ma. Malapit na tayo. Ikaw nakakasapatos. Oh, you don't even know that, guys. Hello again. Nice. Dalawa to. Wait. Wait. I'm going up first. Coffee. Where's it? Gone. Natayin ko itong kulay ko. Natayin ko to?
Hindi, iiwan lang yun dun. Doon sa harapan.
Put it at the front. Hey. Put it at the front.
Susi oh.
There. Hi. That's another car.
May sakit sa likod ah. Isang mabilis tayo.
There's a car at the back.
May mga sasakyan sa likod na dito ha. Isang mabilis tayo. Mga tutulog-tulog pa kayo dyan.
Kanya-kanyang bitbita. Ay, marami
Tayo sa likod. Kapag ano,
Baka na yung susi pa ha.
Nakilate na.
Pagbitbit ha. Marami doon yung mga chicha, mga ano. Ayan.
I have this. Let's go, guys. We're going down, guys.
Ano yan? Dali.
Get out of the way. Here we go now, guys. I'm doing this alone. What's that? Who are those guys? Dwayne! 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 Let's go. Look at him walking. Who has the key? It's so dark right here. Oh no. Oh. We never had a green jug right here. We never have that. Unlock the gate. There we go. Who's there? There you go. There you go. Me. Hey, may sugat ako. Hey. What? What's that? What? Bye guys, thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe. Don't forget to ring the bell for the notification.
Lagyan mo dyan sa may ano.
Because guys, bye. Because I'm gonna poop, guys. What? Bye bye.
Dali, dali.